Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Aisha Jagtap from Zeal Polytechnic, SYEJ. So I am going to introduce about the project on sound sensor. My group members are Akanksha More, Soumya Gaddam, including me. Also our guide who helped in to work out for this project is Sachin Tuppe sir. Thank you for your guidance. So let us begin with the project. Sound sensor, right? Okay. So why the sound sensors are used? Do you know? I will explain it. Sound sensor is one type of module used to notice the sound. Generally, this module is used to detect the intensity of sound. The applications of this module mainly include switch, security as well as monitoring. The accuracy of these sensors can be changed for the ease of usage. This sensor employs a microphone to provide input to buffer, peak detector and an amplifier. This sensor notices a sound and processes an output voltage signal to a microcontroller. After that, it executes required processing. The sensor is capable to determine noise level within dBs or decibel at 3 kHz to 6 kHz frequencies approximately wherever the human ear is sensitive. In smartphones, there is an Android application, namely decibel meter, used to measure the sound level. So, now let us take a look on the simulation of sound sensor and its working. So, this is the working of sound sensor. Okay, so I will explain the simulation of this sound sensor. This sound detector circuit consists microphone, band pass filter, op-amp, non-inverting amplifier, envelope detector, comparator and LED as indicator. For simulation purpose, we have used AC source instead of microphone. This microphone is used with built circuit and this sound detector can be used as noise detector. Okay. So, AC source is coupled to the non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier through coupling capacitor P1. Inverting terminal of the operational amplifier is connected to ground through resistor R4. In this circuit, diode D1 acts as envelope detector. Voltage at point 8 is applied to non-inverting terminals of comparators U1 and U2. In inverting terminals of comparators are connected to reference voltage. Comparator is a circuit which compares voltages at inverting and non-inverting terminals. For comparators, when Vin is greater than Vreference, output V0 is equal to V plus saturation. And when Vin is less than Vreference, output V0 is equal to minus V saturation. Output of comparator U1 is available at point 12 and is given to LED 1. Output of comparator U2 is available at point 13 and given to LED 2. So, let us go with the applications of sound sensors. It is used for first, security systems for office or home. Second, spy circuit. Third, smartphones. Fourth, ambient sound recognition. Fifth, audio amplifier, etc. Now, let me tell you advantages and disadvantages of sound sensors. First, let us start with the advantages of sound sensors. First point, they are used for security systems. Second, often it works with speech recognition software wherein sound or speech is converted to text. This is faster approach compared to typing using keyboard. This is also used by disabled people. Third, it is easy to manipulate sound in real time. Hence, earlier recording is not needed. Fourth, The sound sensors are used while driving by switching on the radio. This helps in improving safety using a voice activation system based on sound sensor. Fifth, they are easily affordable. Sixth, wireless sound sensors provide great freedom while speaking. Moreover, it does not require cabling compared to wired mic. Now, let us take a look on disadvantages of sound sensors. So, following are the disadvantages of sound sensor. First, sound files requires more memory size. Second, voice recognition softwares are not very accurate compared to manual typing. Example, it is difficult to distinguish between keywords. Example, THERE there and THEIR there. Third, often it picks up nearby radio signals and hence interference cancellation microphones are needed. This increases cost of the microphone. Fourth, the wireless microphones have limited coverage range. Fifth, operation time of wireless microphone is limited due to battery life. This is shorter compared to condenser microphone. Sixth, often sound sensors are required to be mounted on cars for specific applications. This increases uses of hardware. So, these were the advantages and disadvantages of sound sensors. So, let us see now types of sound sensors. It includes first, acoustic pressure sensors, second, pressure microphones, third, high amplitude pressure microphones, fourth, pre-polarized condenser microphones, fifth, high amplitude pressure microphones, sixth, probe microphones, seventh, condenser microphones and pre-polarized free-field condenser microphones. So, here we can see all the types which I have introduced to you includes the word microphone. So, is microphone a sensor? Yes, it is a sensor or transducer which converts sound to electrical signals. So, this was our project about sound sensors. Thank you for your cooperation.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.